everything's here. All the manufacturers are here.
Out on the highway, oh yeah, we're free now. We watch the sunrise up, we watch the sun go down. On the open road, it's so inviting.
So I'm standing here with Seth from Chinook. He's one of the manufacturers, and he was just saying there's something unique about this show. And if you guys are going to come to a show, instead of going to the regional shows, Seth, why should we come to the big show?
I think the big show is important because as a customer and you're shopping different brands, everything's here at this fairground. So if you're shopping us, Chinook RV, and maybe another Class B or B+, this show actually allows you to get into both in the same day and make your decision, as opposed to one of them being at the show and then YouTubing and watching and making an order that way.
Or driving 90 miles to the next dealer.
Exactly. Everything's here. All the manufacturers are here. The latest and greatest and stuff is here, so you can come here and see it all.
Well, I think that's a great point, Seth, and we look forward to you guys having a great, successful week here, and we will see what goes on down the line.
Awesome.
Thank you, sir.